What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, known as the AUDIOZONE. I want to thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving this channel, man. Can't tell you how grateful we are to you guys, man. It's been a blessing, a journey. We hit 20K thanks to you guys. Let's keep it going, y'all. We have a lot of big things going on. The raffle, people asking me about it. I had a delay on my raffle because I had to do some engine work to the design of this unit. It started to tick from the famous Hemi tick. So we went ahead and we cammed it out. I've been waiting for some parts to come in. I want to bring y'all the build as we're building it, but I just want to let you know the raffle is still on. I want to make sure I make something crazy, something exotic, something different that you will actually get to enjoy whenever you drive anywhere. So stay tuned for that. But on top of that, today's day, man, I want to tell you guys sorry for the D-Link. I lost my Osmo. My first Osmo broke on me. I got that one. I lost it. It's been a mess of a thing. But back here to vlogging with y'all. I always want to thank y'all for the support. Today, man, we have a couple builds going on here, and I'm gonna show y'all what's going on here. Everybody asked. There goes my Nova. Nova Kane is here. I'm getting her ready to go out to the track and have fun with her again. Definitely thing. This is the performance build that y'all seen that we've done. This one has the lower pulley already done on it. We did the upper pulley, and all this is coming out because this is from Mr. Lee. Yep, we do performance. This Mercedes came in. He's doing an Alpine 9-inch screen update. So Josh is in the process of doing the amp bypass to be able to get this wired in and get with a 5-channel amplifier, 8-inch sub, and vocaling his vehicle out with a beautiful radio going in there. Then we have this Lexus here that actually came in. Good friend of ours from the shop. He had some door lock problems, so we're getting that fixed. That's not what's important today. Yes, we also have the Ghost Cat that we're working on, getting this car ready for Ghost Cat. Y'all remember this when it came in? Got very delayed on this car, unfortunately, with the body shop. That's why I'm gonna bring the body shop in-house, but wide body kit is done, molded, perfect. They're working on the air ride. There's some fittings that we're missing on that one, so the fittings are coming in, so I could button this car up and get the air ride running, get the lights working for him, and get that one going. This one is the sneak peek. Y'all can't get too much of that one. There goes my famous AUDIOZONE. Man, I missed this car. I'm not gonna lie. I got my Viper. My son got this car. This car used to be, this is the original AUDIOZONE, y'all. And yeah, she is a nasty car, man, but you know what is here. This is another one that y'all gonna be watching. I got the cap pulled off here because we're doing a paint match. We're doing a wide body kit on this one. Completely done with the new SRT bumper in the front, so y'all can see what's going on with this one. But this one is actually in process of getting parts painted so that I can go ahead and get this one situated. But we got a very special thing. In fact, just so y'all know, I bought a truck the other day. This is a little truck that I got as my beater to come to work and come back and not to mess with my cars. Does the job of having utilities, and I handle that. There goes the raffle car, y'all. So yeah, we still have it, but I ordered some parts for her because we're doing a custom cam. Make sure she chops. The rest is gonna be history, so stay tuned for this one. But then you're gonna be a lot of vlogs on this one because I'm knocking this one out within the next 30 days. But we have another job here, y'all. And this is where it is. It's a beautiful 6x6 Jeep Wrangler, y'all. This thing is nasty. I mean, obviously you guys know what the value of these things are. This is a nasty truck. This came in from one of our companies that we deal with, 2 Crave Wheels. They had this built and they're having a lot of issues with it. So they said, Jeff, we're having issues, man. The company decided to take it to somebody else. They got it installed, but we're having a lot of problem with it. Can you figure it out? Well, you know what? Here at AUDIOZONE, we're definitely gonna figure it out and see why she is having the problem she's having. But it's definitely a hell of a damn truck. It's a 6x6. It is definitely a hell of a truck, y'all. So this one's gonna be in debate today, and we're working and getting this going, y'all. Let's go check up on Leo and the guys today to see how they're doing, man. I know it's been a little stressful here, but this is kind of what the day starts like, y'all. But we're gonna get Leo on the camera today because these guys are actually amazing. They've helped us a lot. These guys are phenomenal. So I'm gonna come and get them on camera today and see if we can make them smile. So we got the first guy over here, y'all. His name is Mr. Fabian. Fabian, say hi to the camera today, buddy. You're on YouTube, man. What you want to tell the camera today, man? What you want to tell people out there today? What you getting all bashful for, man?
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed, man. You know what I'm saying? These are the guys who you guys know I refer to. Yeah, bro, definitely for sure. You know I don't do promotions on my channel, but these guys definitely deserve it. They are amazing people, man. They've helped everybody I've sent here. They've helped. Got a Mercedes-Benz done a couple.
You gonna walk up on me like that,
man? Because we do, y'all. But you know what? It doesn't even matter.
Y'all need a thing, come holler at us, man.
Michael, give me your contact info. Your name is Fabian.
Fabian Martinez.
NTX Auto World.
NTX Auto World. 972-972-8672 is the number here. But you can call my cell phone too at any time. 817-456-6059. But we can call, text, find anything.
If you need something, y'all, I don't care. We can get it done. And if your credit's a little shaky, we can even help you out with that.
We work with I-10, social, no social, good credit, bad credit. We got banks for everything. We get box trucks, work vans, Porsches, Mercedes, Lambos, Ferraris, whatever you need. Anything.
Yes.
From the bottom of the bottom to the top of the top, we can get it for you.
That's what it's about, y'all. Is Leo here today? He gone?
He'll be back in a minute. He
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But these are my guys here at NTX Auto World, y'all. I just definitely want to, you know, bring them in here because I know a lot of people looking for cars right now. Y'all know I don't do a lot of promotions. If I do tell you about somebody, because I highly recommend them, and this is them, y'all. So right now, this is kind of what the day's looking like. Glad to be back on the vlog, but let's keep on getting these bills done. Stay tuned. All right, crew, I'm going to show y'all on this Mercedes-Benz what we got going on. Let me pop this trunk here. So he got a single 8. Put a Diablo in there. He wanted something simple. Nemesis 5-channel amplifier. Sorry that it's dark, y'all. But inside the vehicle, we have installed a Alpine big screen. This is an Alpine unit. It is a big screen. I'm gonna show you what else this car has. Lower this all down. Turn this down.
Continuous recording.
All right, because then the cool thing that this also has a dash cam that we installed. You can tell over here. So in the vehicle, you can see the dash cam for the front and the rear, and it records all the time to his radio. So his radio is the DVR. So the cool thing is that while he's dealing with this car, he is able to of course have his radio features and all this stuff here, y'all. I'm sorry about the focusing, but the radio HDMI, but he also has a dash camera system. So now as the guys are working outside, you can see in the DVR system, we have the front camera here, we have the rear camera over here, because this is seeing the back view, and then this is seeing the front view. So now we have them both. And of course you could do all the changes on that. On top of that, I can actually just come here, and this is everything that the Alpine offers. Of course you have your CarPlay, your Android Auto, all the other features, but that is a big screen on this CLS. I think it's a nice touch to the guy. Gives a little bit more of a modern touch in his old school CLS, and of course it is just one of those things, y'all. So at this point in time, this Mercedes is getting ready to be delivered. The guys really rocked and rolled, and I am gonna tell you, this car is a lot harder to install than most cars. People think when you go to a shop and they want to charge you more for Mercedes because it's a Mercedes. It's not that. German engineering is really an advanced thing because they're very difficult, man. I mean, wiring, CAN bus networks, fiber optic systems, like all these different things that normal cars do not have, the Mercedes-Benz does. So it makes it a lot more difficult to work on this car than it is to work on anything else. And with that being said, that's why sometimes you have these prices that change and make things happen, y'all. So at this point in time, this is ready to go. I am going to, at this point in time, get this done. We have a Cadillac we're working on over there, which is another audio build, but I'm gonna end this video on this Mercedes-Benz. Always tell y'all, thank y'all for the watch, man. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.